Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a weird video. I don't know if it's weird, but I saw this video on Nikkie Tutorials YouTube, and to be honest, I was like, I want to try this for sure. And the way she did it obviously was flawless, was awesome. Like, she is an awesome makeup artist. She's like so amazing that I was like, well, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna see what happens if I do a video like this. And basically what she did was the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge, and this was her video right here, and we are gonna see which is gonna be my look. So basically what she said on her video was, you have to take the first letter of your name and the first letter of your last name. Then you're gonna put them together and you're gonna put look, L-O-O-K. So I did that, and well, this is what happened. And my picture, it's gonna be this one, and I don't know, it's like kind of weird because you can see there is not only one picture, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures in one. Basically the color, it's black. You can see it there. In the earrings I have like a little bit of glitter. In the shirt I have golden. And the singer right here, she's CL. She's a South Korean singer and rapper. And in her shirt, I can see a little bit of blue, and in the background, I can see a little bit of blue too, orange, green, and everything. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this. We'll see how this is gonna end. So let's get started doing this Google Picks My Makeup tutorial. Okay, my loves, we're gonna start doing the eyeliner, and I'm using this liquid black eyeliner by CoverGirl from their new spring collection, and I love it, by the way, because it's super thin, it's super tiny, and it's so easy to use. So I'm just gonna put a lot of black in this makeup look. In the picture you saw it has a lot of black, so I have to do that. And I'm just trying to like do my line perfect, just use a little bit of concealer and everything so it looks nice. Now I'm gonna use this palette by Pixie, and I'm gonna use this brown color. It's super dark, but I just want to blend it from the eye line and start blending it out. And then I'm gonna start using this Smoky palette by CoverGirl too, and I'm gonna use the color black, obviously, since we have a lot of black. Now I'm gonna start using this black eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna put a little bit in the outer corner and start blending it a little bit. So I just like use black and more black. Now with this makeup setting spray from Urban Decay and the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, we're gonna use this blue one right here. Since we have a little bit of blue one, I'm just gonna use a little bit, and I'm gonna put it in the tear duct, and I'm gonna blend it with the black. I just blend, and I think it's gonna look nice. We're gonna apply a little bit in the inner corner of our eyelids with this blue liquid eyeliner from La Splash Cosmetics. And I have to be honest, I never tried before because I never knew how to do it, but I have to be honest, and I really like it how it looks. I love these lashes from Lily Lashes in Tease. They are so gorgeous, so natural. Like, I love the way they look on me. And I love the idea they are irregular, like some parts are long and the next part is shorter. Like, they are super cute. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit, a lot of foundation. These days I'm super red, so I have to cover everything. And this loose setting powder from Dermablend. This was the first time I was using this product, and I have to be honest, I love it. The way it worked and the way it sets your makeup, it's so amazing. And I'm gonna use this Peachy Salmon blush from Tarte Cosmetics and apply it on my cheeks just a little bit. And now this loose setting powder from Dermablend 2, it's darker, and I just have the idea to set my blush a little bit and see what happened. And you're gonna see how it's gonna look at the end when I take it off. Okay, let's take the powder, the excess of powder. We are just gonna blend it out, and we are gonna take it off our face, and you are gonna see how these powders worked because they are so awesome. Like, honestly, I love, and I'm gonna continue using them. Now I'm gonna apply my highlighter from Pixie Palette by Dulce Candy and this CoverGirl Queen Mayor shade on my lips. And I love this highlighter. I love highlighters, like in any colors, it doesn't matter. So I love to use them. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of Golden Sis. Her microphone and some of the things on the picture have gold. And it was so cool to use this blue eyeline, since like I never used this liquid eyeliner, to be honest. So I feel like I really like how this turned out. And I was worried about the colors and everything, and trust me, I tried 2 makeup looks with these colors, and this is the 3rd attempt, so I feel happy about it. My eyelids are super dry, so I'm trying to deal with them right now. But well guys, I think that was it for today. Don't forget, all the products are gonna be down here on the description box, so you can go and check them out if you forget something from this video and from this makeup look. Don't forget to go and check out my other accounts on my social media, our Instagram, Facebook, Vero. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm trying to do more videos in here for you guys. And also, if you have more ideas or opinions about other videos I should do, don't forget to DM me on Instagram or just comment down here on the comment section. And for sure, I'm gonna take those comments into account and I'm gonna do those videos just for you. So that was it for today. Mwah! I sent you a huge kiss, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!